I'm on a mission to see if it's possible for me to go from broke to a millionaire in 1 year. Hey friends, I'm Deedee and welcome to day 24 of the experiment. We have officially completed 3 weeks. So week 3 was not great. Week 3 was a mess in all honesty. I was going through a lot of personal stuff on week 3. I didn't have any water at my house. I had to be brushing my teeth with bottled water. I had to be showering in a bucket. It was a mess. It was a hot freaking mess. And so that kind of threw me off a bit, but I got back on track. Not 100%. For example, like my diet. I was sticking to my diet. I was so proud of my diet. And I realized that I'm a person that is easily influenced diet-wise. Not in all aspects, but diet-wise. Because for the first 2 weeks of the diet, I was like by myself, like 100% by myself. And I was eating so good and so clean. I was doing the OMAD diet, I was doing the keto, the clean keto, and I was doing so well. And then when I went around other people, because when you're trying to change your life, you have to incorporate other people. You're not just going to be in this bubble all by yourself all the time. You're going to go around friends. You're going to be around family. You're going to be around your partner. You're going to be around whomever. And so I went around other people and I just started eating like crap. And I haven't completely... I'm doing somewhat of a clean keto, but not really because I'm doing like 80-20. But hey, it's better to do 80-20 than 0-0. Anyways, let's get back on track. So one of the goals for this challenge is to make one small change every day and one major change every week. So on week 1, the change that I made was I cut rice out of my diet. And I decided that I would be doing 4 hours dedicated to YouTube stuff every day. On week 2, I decided that I wanted to do a half hour of brainstorming every day, like coming up with video ideas and just solving problems that are lingering in my mind. I realized that when I sat down to do my meditation, like a bunch of stuff would come rushing through my mind because I never really quiet down my mind throughout the course of the day. So when I sit down for a meditation and I finally start to quiet my mind, all of these things just started rushing to my mind. So I decided, you know what? I started doing like 10 minutes before my meditation, I started like just sit down and just let whatever thoughts want to come to my mind to come to my mind. And I realized that I was solving a lot of my problems just in that little time that I set aside to just let whatever thoughts come to my mind. And then we'll also be doing a half hour of research. Now, in all honesty, I have not been doing that half hour of research for the past like 6 or 7 days. So we need to get on that. So the major change that I want to make for week 3 is that no doom scrolling before 1 p.m. Like no doom scrolling, no social media, none of that stuff. I get up like today. Today was such a perfect day. So today just was such a wonderful day because I got up. The first thing I did was I went and I got myself together. I put on a little makeup and blah, blah, blah. I came, I did my reading, I did my Spanish, I did my, I did all of my stuff. I did my workout and I just felt freaking great. I just felt amazing today. Like yesterday I was like so low energy. The day before that I was so low energy. And today I just feel fan-freaking-tastic. And so I credit that to me getting like about 8 or 9 hours of sleep. I didn't wear my ring last night, so I don't know how long I slept for. But I know I went to bed at around 10:30, 11, and I know I woke up at about 8 o'clock this morning. Last night, before I went to bed, I decided I'm not doing any doom scrolling this morning. So usually what I do, I would get up, I would be scrolling on social media, I would look at my friends, whatever they post on their story or whatever. I did not do that this morning. I got straight to my activity and I was able to finish everything and then some before 12 midday today. The time is currently about like 2:30 now and I've already shot 1 video. I've already done all of my activities and I'm shooting a second video now. So I'm definitely cutting out doom scrolling moving forward. As for the strategy, I think I'm coming up with a little idea. So like I said, I have a bunch of YouTube channels. If I'm honest, I have 10. In all honesty, I have 10. But the thing is that I have the time and YouTube give you the opportunity to schedule videos. You can schedule videos. I have videos scheduled until like December 31st on like my workout channel. I have videos scheduled till December 31st on my shorts channel. So I can schedule. I don't have to do a video on each channel every single day. I can schedule channel and then I just go on each channel and see if anyone is leaving any comments or so on. I can do that daily. And I don't get that much comments. I will get like maybe 5 or 10 a day. I can easily reply to those. So having that much channel is not that big of a deal because I have the time. I may not have a lot of things, but I do have the time. And so my goal is on each of my channel, because like I said, I'm throwing things at the wall. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just making it up as I go, you know. So I'm throwing things at the wall. So my goal is to have all of my channels. I need to have a video every single day on all of my channel. Now maybe some of them will be like a little challenging, but I think I can do it. I think I can do it. If I try to do it and I realize that, hey, this is like too much, then I can always adjust. But for now, the goal is to have a video going up on each of the 10 channels every single day. Right now I have about 4 or 5 channels that every single day there's videos going out on them every single day, and videos that I'm semi proud of. And the next thing is I started reading back the book. There it is, right, by the way. Oh, there it is. The Heart to Start. And one of the most profound thing that I read in that book, that I love that book, that book became one of my favorite books based on just one concept, and it's that give yourself permission to suck. Like when you start making art, it's not going to meet your standards, but just give yourself the permission to suck and keep making crappy videos, keep making crappy art until you get to a point where it is just, you know, world renowned. It's just fantastic. The strategy remains for me to continue being intentionally delusional and see what I can achieve if I put my mind to it. Keep doing these daily discipline, keep trusting the process, and keep being intentionally delusional. That is the strategy. Anyways guys, I think I'm rambling a bit. Thank you guys for watching. Have a super awesome day, and I will see you in tomorrow's video. Bye bye.